for stuff like this, but the cracking floor is starting to make me nervous.
Seems to look a little unstable.
Maybe we should get out of here?
We're finished, Dende.
Well, don't keep us in suspense. How'd Oob do?
He passed with flying colors. I was really impressed. I have to admit, though, I haven't had a battle that wore me out this much since Frieza.
How does it feel to graduate, Oob?
Really good.
Oob, are you okay?
Popo, get the first aid kit.
I hope you're as proud of yourself as we are, Oob. You certainly have earned it.
Thanks for everything, you guys. I just hate to leave the lookout like this.
Don't worry about it, Oob. It's been a lot worse. Mr. Popo and I can fix it right up, really. Besides, you need to get back to your family. I'm sure they miss you.
Thanks, Dende. Well, Goku, I can't tell you how much I appreciate everything. You changed my life.
Hey, don't thank me. I got just as much out of it as you did.
Really?
Yeah, you're a great teacher.
That's funny, Goku. I'll see you fellas later. Take care!